In a small town school there were two girls, Sophia and Lina. They were in the same class, but their habits were very different. Sophia was hardworking. She always paid attention, finished her homework and helped others. But Lina was different. She loved to sleep, watch videos, and do everything later.
Hey Sophia, why are you studying again? Let's go out and have some fun.
I'll come later, Lina. We have a test tomorrow. Don't you want to prepare?
Oh please, I can study in the morning, no problem.
Okay, but don't say I didn't warn you.
All right, class. You have 30 minutes. Start now.
What is this question? I've never seen this before.
Lina, no talking, please.
Yes, teacher.
Time's up. Please hand in your papers. I've checked your tests. Some of you did very well, especially Sophia. She got the highest score. Congratulations. And Lina, you need to work harder next time.
Yes, teacher, I understand. Sophia, can you help me study next time? I don't want to fail again. Of course, Lina. Let's study together. It's never too late to start.
From that day, Lina changed her habits. She started working hard just like Sophia, and soon she began to see success too. The secret to success is simple: hard work, determination, and never giving up.